Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, I haven't posted in like a week, but I'm back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my twists, my natural hair. So I'm basically going to be using my moisturizer and my sealant, which is my leave-in conditioner, my Blue Magic leave-in conditioner, and my Blue Magic grease, hair grease. So I've already started with 3 sections down there, and I just decided to let you guys in on how I do this. So I'm starting off with a freshly washed hair, deep condition, detangled, finger detangled, all that good stuff. If you've not seen my video on how I finger detangled my natural hair, I'm going to put it up here in my iCard, so you guys go and check that video and let know that good stuff, because really you can never go wrong with finger detangling. So I'm just basically using my small comb to make my parts as clean as I can. I'm not really particular about like how clean my parts are. I'm just eyeballing it basically, because as you can see I'm not using a mirror. So I'm just moisturizing. Wait, I've already stated what I'm moisturizing with. So just basically moisturizing and doing a light finger detangling to just get rid of any shed hair that failed to come out yesterday or the day before. So after that, after lightly finger detangling, I just basically twist my hair. And please, am I the only one who's seeing this growth? Like, comment down below if you think my hair has grown like compared to the previous videos I've been making. But I honestly think my hair has grown, so that's a good thing. So just please note how I am finger detangling my hair. I'm not doing it too tight and or too loose. I'm just in between, because that's like one of the secrets to get a really juicy and bouncy twist. If you do it too tight, it's going to be too flat. If you do it too loose, it's going to be too bouncy. So you want to do that in between. And also notice how I add moisturizer to my end, and how I want you guys to notice how I add moisturizer to my end, and then how I twirl my end. So this is a very, very important step in any protective style you're doing. Even when you go to the salon to make your hair, always ask for them to add moisturizer or sealant or something to your end. What this does is that it keeps your ends together. Like, it keeps the ends of your hair together. Hence, when this is done, there's less breakage, there's no knotting, there's no tangling. You can get shea butter, pile it at the ends of your hair, and your hair is going to thank you for it. That is like a secret to length retention. Always moisturize your ends, even if you don't want to moisturize like your roots, maybe because you don't want like shrinkage or something like that. You can just add shea butter, something heavy, shea butter, grease, conditioner, anything to the ends of your hair to keep them together in your protective style. So yeah, that's a secret I just let you guys in on. So I'm basically repeating the same step, and finger detangling, lightly moisturizing, twisting in between loose and tight, and then adding more grease to the ends of my hair. So I'm just basically going to speed up the rest of the video, and I'll be right back. Yeah, but before I go, I just want to let you guys in on something very important. Please, whenever you're doing your protective style or you're twisting or braiding, please never ever share hair. Do not borrow hair. Sharing or borrowing hair is when you get hair from a bigger strand and add it to maybe a smaller section that you think is not going to be enough. That is one of the causes of breakage. So please don't do that. Just try as much as possible to just work with what you have. Whenever you get to the end, just slap in butter, slap in grease to just keep it together, and that is a safer way to do your hair. So yeah, I'm going to just sharply speed this up so that we don't flip here, and then I'll come back and let you guys in on how far it's going. So see ya. So I basically went behind the camera to do these ones because trust me, this took me like about 2 hours. It was fast twist, but then you definitely don't want to make a 2 hour video when you're uploading on YouTube. So I basically went behind the camera to do the remaining ones that you see. Excuse me. I failed to mention I have my little beautiful nephew here around. We're having like a very interesting discussion or conversation rather, and he wanted to say hi to you guys. Like, Auntie Noma, I want to say hi. I want to say hi to the camera. And I was like, okay, you say hi soon. But yeah, I just, it's beautiful. Yeah, I forgot what we're talking about, but like, we're having a really intense conversation. He's a toddler, by the way. I don't know. Okay. I love this boy so much. Like, yeah. So, yeah. We just continued with our conversation. He kept disturbing me. Please, I want to say hi again. I want to say hi again. I was like, nah, you said hi before. Yeah. Without digressing so much, I'm basically repeating everything I've said before. I just want to show you guys again, for more quality content, to show you guys as they go. So this is it. I'm just basically repeating the same step over and over and over again. My hair has grown, like, okay, I just confirmed my hair has grown compared to last 2 months. I'm going to be doing a length check for you guys in December for you guys to see. The first goal of this like YouTube channel was like grow my hair to 14 inches this year. So when I made that video, my hair was currently 10 inches. So by the end of this year, I'm going to do a length check, and hopefully by the grace of God, it's gonna be 4 inches. Ha ha ha. So because I'm doing everything right, I'm deep conditioning every wash day, I'm moisturizing, I'm doing protective styles that are not tight, I'm just doing everything right. So I think one thing I have to work on is to stretch my hair, keep my hair stretched more often, because my hair is 4x. My hair can shrink, like my hair shrinks fast and it shrinks well. Anyway, that's a sign of healthy hair. But regardless, I need to work on keeping my hair very stretched. So I'm just going to leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video again, and then I'm going to come back to show you guys what the hair looked like when I was done, because This is what my hair looks like, and you can style it anyhow you want. This video is not doing justice to how bouncy this twist was. I'm going to put like 2 pictures at the end of this video to show you guys how juicy it was. This is the amount of shed hair I got from the finger detangling. You know, the hair was previously finger detangled. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you're notified anytime I post a new video. Bye.